Okay, so I got my foundational layers on. I am going to try to refine these layers a little bit and see where I end up at the end of the day. I know that I have to let some of it kind of dry before I can add more paint. So hopefully it'll dry quickly and then I can move on. But for now, this is what it's looking like. And I'm pretty satisfied with the first layer. I mean, I would like it to be a little bit more refined, but you know, for a first layer, I'm not gonna get too up in arms about it. I'm trying to decide if the afro is oddly shaped or what's going on. I don't think so. I think it's really just I need to add all the details and things to it. So, all right, back to work. The final result of this piece. I'm calling it Higher Self, and I did add a lot more color to the wings. I repositioned the wings coming out the back so that it make a little bit more sense. The wings are coming from the shoulder blades. You can see the back, the spine of the back and all that. So I love her afro. I love her eyes, her lips, and her earring. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. Thank you for watching.